Welcome back once again. Today, this one are the continuation of the killings where they kill in different states when that country where they call Nigeria. The killings, ladies and gentlemen, this thing don't do too much, don't do too rampant. You know, recently, all of us know what happened in Delta State, but now we dey get the full info of wetin actually play out that very day. Somebody like Omo Agege don't come out. Somebody like the Delta State governor, when be Ifeanyi Okowa, don't come out. Their claims be say some people wear military uniform, follow the herdsmen, go one village in Uyeli, go kill a lot of people. That very day when the thing happened, they told us say na 8 people when they kill. But today, we dey learn say them pass 30 people when these herdsmen then slaughter inside the bush, in and outside the village. That day where they do Valentine's Day. Now the day when the thing happen, when people they celebrate, herdsmen, day one village, they slaughter people. Not only herdsmen now. Now both Boko Haram and herdsmen. So the governor of the state when be Ifeanyi Okowa, now he first come and claim say army they involve. Say in don't go report to the army people, make them fish out those people when we say they follow, go kill people in that village where they call Uyeli, one of the village. The man when be the deputy senate president, when we say that same man come from Delta State, when be Omo Agege, that one self don't come and say they no go sweep this matter under the carpet like the way where they sweep matter under the carpet before. Here this time around, they must to find out people when they do this thing. But I tell you, ladies and gentlemen, if you not stand up to all these governors, if you not stand up to all these ministers, all these senators, all the whole local government chairmen, including the federal capital territory, that is people when they control there, led by this Jubri or Buhari, if you not stand up, ladies and gentlemen, you not they go nowhere. You not they go nowhere. Because now these people be the root of the problem. But now them go still come and come tell you, see, not be them be the root of the problem. They will come and come tell you, see, Boko Haram, them be foreigners, or herdsmen, them be foreigners. Not the same people. Now then go come out, come they defend them. So it is time for everybody to stand up to address this issue in Nigeria before this thing go get out of hand. Because if this thing get out of hand, you know, no fit control anything. You when be the say, you dey happy say you even get, one place where you dey live, or where that time you no go fit get where you want run go. That is why it is important earlier the better make people rise up to their feet to make sure say they confront their governors. Because if their governors, if the governors them, like we don't talk all this thing before, if they're not compromised, all these things no go happen. Now because see the governors, all of them, with the people when they Abuja, all of them don't compromise. That is why you see today, Boko Haram, they're not defeat, fight them again. Make you not forget, last time he get news when come out, when they can tell us say some police and some air force in Nigeria there, say they kill 250 bandits. Now if on Kidikon they ask them say, Uno they come and they tell us say Uno kill 250 bandits, but we not they see their videos, or the videos will not take kill them. But if not them kill army or police, Them, they bring out the video on social media. We they see everything. Why can't be see, oh no, not they show the videos. Before you know what they happen today now, them when be the police and the Air Force, they don't come and say that news, say not be them, tell Nigerian people say they kill 250 people. Whereas the thing come out, now headline, ladies and gentlemen. But then now they deny because we don't tell them, say make them prove to us, say then kill 250 people. Because when you kill 250 people, it's a lot of people. It's a lot of people. We're not supposed to show Nigerian people, but now today, then they come out, they talk, say, not be them talking that way again. See, they're not talking, see, they don't swallow their words back. It will not be so. It be, see, they not kill anybody. Make you see, the same people, then will come today, then will tell you this way. Tomorrow, then will talk the other way. Next tomorrow, then will talk the other way. The same people want to feel say, oh no, trust. Wonder. And the same people went on the clamor for 2023 because we don't learn now. Say these people, they don't put down their machine for 2023. Oshomole don't follow. You don't help them. Put down the machine. They don't want to take rig everybody out in 2023. I mean the rigging machine. That is why you see problem. The all corners of that country because of the same people. Now, today we don't learn say Oshomole himself. His people when be the APC people, when be Oshomole they lead. They say they don't want Oshomole again. As they talk to now, ladies and gentlemen, heavy protest they all corner of that country regarding Oshomole. Because people want to make Oshomole resign. APC people they claim say waiting Oshomole don't bring to that party say not be progress, say not serious downfall. Even they accuse Oshomole of corruption. Then talk say Oshomole not they manage the party well because of Oshomole the party. I mean when be APC don't weak. Everything about APC don't go down according to what that they claim. Again, they can't talk say now zero accountability where did they get from Oshomole. Say the money when the billions upon billions upon billions according to them when they contribute or when they don't sell ticket in 2019. Now remember now say they do one fake election in 2019. Then they accuse Oshomole of those billions when they sell tickets. Say Oshomole not they give any account of those billions. He where Oshomole keep the money. All these things are the reason when they want make Oshomole come down. Again, the inability to manage the internal crisis when they rock APC. Say Oshomole not they fit, they manage the crisis. Say they need somebody when go stand for them or stand by them. Not be Oshomole. When we say Oshomole don't corrupt left and right. In fact, Oshomole they manufacture crisis when crisis not supposed to be in that country. Oshomole they manufacture the whole crisis when they happen in that country with his cronies when they for Asoro. Because Oshomole himself not they do all this thing by himself. Now somebody they push him. And who be those when they push him? Now the people want to talk say now then they on top. I mean the failed leaders. I mean the Kabas. The Jubri. Abakayare and the madman Daura. Now them Oshomole they work for. Now them the man, the Boko Haram military general, one of they call Toka Borata, in they work for them. Borata not there, they work for you. Oshomole not there, they work for you. So therefore, anything one of the nyan na noise making. Now only when una stand up to una feet. That is why how change go take come to that country. Not be by talking. Because you go talk, them go continue to they do waiting then they do. Because they know say you not got that power to remove them. Or to come push Borata just like that. Or to just remove any service chief just like that. Or to push Oshomole come out just like that. Oshomole they act. Because those people when they on top. Now the thing when they send them making do. Now Oshomole they do. She come now. if na ordinary person come talk say they not accept result when come from Supreme Court, you know wetin dem go do that person. When the person go resist, say man, make una begin to dey protest am because the result not be better result. We don't want that result. Now the thing when Oshomole tell the Supreme Court because of the result when come out in Bayelsa State. At the end of the day, the protest turned to violence between the citizens and the other man what they call Dare, the new governor, according to the way one claims saying that the new governor of Bayelsa State. If na ordinary citizen can't talk like that, you know say by now that person no go dey alive again. In fact, some people when they inside APC, they don't criticize Oshomole for the comment when they make regarding that verdict. But we know say na mouth all of them they take yarn. When they talk finish, the next seconds all of them they for one beer parlor they dine and wine with Oshomole. Then go to give am kudos. Say in a guy, say in try, say in a big guy. For him to get that guts to come out to talk say Supreme Court verdicts not make any sense. So if una know say the verdict when they come out from Supreme Court not they make sense, why una get Supreme Court? Because those of them my own they somewhere pending. With the year now say people don't stand up again against hope. Those of them man. Imo State people, all of them don't stand up again now because Ihedioha has say no. Say that case, they say they must to review the case. But then when be the hope of them say make court ignore Ihedioha. Say Ihedioha no no waiting in the yarn. Say the Supreme Court verdict say na be the final. So when be the hope Uzodinma no go gree make them overturn that verdict when court don't talk see na him win the election. So if APC people when be say now una be the ruling party, now una be this, now una be that, una when Supreme Court talk, una no they accept them, but una they force people to accept the Supreme Court verdict. But when they get to una turn, una no go accept. Why? Why? Because the thing no favor una, then una no go accept them. Then the ones when they talk about other people, una go say, oh, na so it be. Why? That is injustice. That means say justice not there in that country. Everybody in that country not they get equal justice. We don't see them on and on and on and on and on all the time since this man when they call Sina Buhari when come destroy Nigeria since when he entered that position. Now injustice the man just did do all around till today. He continue to the do am. The reason why when the man they do am because they don't see una say una dey less than rats. That's why you see anything when they like na him then they do to Nigerian people. Oshomole don't talk, but at the end of the day, we don't say they don't carry that same certificate of return as they call them, give the man when they talk say na him win when they call Dari or Dari in Bayelsa State. That Oshomole see they talk say him no want her. This same Oshomole na him everybody they accuse of corruption in APC. The same man when they claim say na integrity man. The same man when they claim say na him. In fact, Oshomole won't become president. All of them won't become president, ladies and gentlemen. So, but I wonder the year when Oshomole won't contest. You know, the year when he won't become. This is president when he won't become. Because everybody when they in Nigeria won't become. This 2023. This 2023 now do or die. So we say make una they kill on ourselves in Nigeria there. We not send on. The only thing when we want now the liberation of the Biafran people. The actualization of Biafra. Now that one where we stand. So make una dey there because we don't predict before say una go dey kill on ourselves. Una go dey kill on ourselves. So, ladies and gentlemen, make una learn how to stand up against these people because they don't destroy our nation pukutu for ground. They don't destroy our nation, so they nothing. They walk again. Every day we hear thousands die because of insecurity. Millions they die because of insecurity in that same country. Tell me country when people they die like that. Everywhere in the world, just mention that place when people they die in thousands every day. Only Nigeria, all these things they possible. You know they fight war, but people they die more than the way people they die in where they fight war. People they die anyhow. No war. They say Nigeria they peaceful, but people they die. Now the thing where they claim say Nigeria they peaceful. People they die every day. Tell me how it can't be peaceful now. The thing when they claim say they peaceful, but people they die every day, every now and then. Both the police, both the army, both the ordinary citizens, both mothers, children, girls, men, that they die all the time. And they claim say, oh no, they govern. When bandits don't do their own, now there you go see where they talk say police come out after bandit don't go. Only Nigeria. Bandit go keep finish, they go carry like 100, 200 cows, they walk out for street. Where the police, where the army there. Una say then they carry, where they don't keep finish, then go carry cow. They walk out for road. When then thief go. Then you go begin ask yourself, not be the same people they do this thing. Okay, look at situation now in Delta State, in Nueli. They killed a lot of people. Government come and tell us that only 8 people then keep it. Today we learn now say then pass more than 30 people were then killed in that attack by the herdsmen. People wear military uniform. No wonder Borata don't tell us say 10 Nigerian people say Boko Haram they everywhere, including Lagos State. Terrorist people they everywhere, including Lagos State. So who come be those people when come wear army uniform, go attack farmers? And at the end of the day, the same Buhari, Abi Jubri, go come and tell us say make farmers not the revenge. Farmers get crops for farm. Their cow will come eat up everything. Then you want their cow go the fat. Then those people will suffer a whole year. A whole year, then they inside farm. At the end of the day, they no go see anything harvest come out. Then our president go come out and talk say, oh, make una they leave herdsmen people. Because already don't tell us say attack on herdsmen or Boko Haram, na attack on Fulani people. Who are Fulani people, ladies and gentlemen? These people, now them come be the foreigners when they that country. And now them they deal with una because they know say at the end of the day, all of una not get single sense when I take reason. All of una not get number 6. Everything when Northern bring come, now him people they buy. Why una they buy things like this when not make any sense? Now una defeat them. Our oil now they take they survive. All of them. At the end of the day, they will still come back. Say they won't claim your land, claim your oil, slaughter your neck. Because you refuse to learn lesson. And they will continue to come. They will continue to come. All those ones, like I said before, when people they go House of Assembly, House of Rep, or whatever they call them, all those senators, they will just blah, 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 blah. Now just noise making. All of them compromise. Showore don't come. Una reject Showore. None they cannot don't come. Una say no. So una go get una anything when una see now una go they get. Boko Haram I see them they una domot. Even that man when they talk when be Omo Agege when come out now they support they say he not support the things when they happen in Delta State. Now him they go knee down for the same foreigner. If somebody like Omo Agege not did this position when in day today. Those herdsmen no go dey that place. They no go kill these people. But because of the support, when they support the Northerners, now him make because they don't sign everything out. All this way they come and say, oh, they no go fit sweep them under the carpet again. Forget it, ladies and gentlemen. All those things now noise making. Until when all of us stand up, this thing no go stop. and it will continue to go worse. It will continue every time, every day. You understand? Then no go stop, ladies and gentlemen. So now here, Funkidi say, Ingo leave this matter. Oshomole, they don't tell Oshomole say, make him resign. Funkidi wonder how Oshomole go take resign when he be saying they work for the cabals. How Oshomole won't take resign when be say, nah, the madman daura when they deal with all of una. When tell all of una say, una dey less than rats. Now him in they work for. So anything when Oshomole talk, Oshomole must to go free. Anything when Borata talk, Borata must to go free. Now them they oppress una. Because una don't shout she baba. Now una go bear the consequences. Before 2019 election, we don't want an assignment. This man when I want bring come. Look what Nasha Buhari they talk. Nobody answer. None they cannot don't talk. Nobody even want to listen. Now that is why we know the pity una again. Even before that 2019, Funkidi don't tell us say Ingo continue to laugh at una. But now I not feel laugh at una again because I don't see say man the thing not be something when somebody supposed to laugh at. This is not issues we supposed to address all these issues, ladies and gentlemen. I don't tell them say if una go queue up for Buhari, if una go queue up for APC or PDP, Atiku Abubakar or Peter Obi or Buhari or Nosebanjo, na problem una go get. Today, waiting they happen. Waiting they happen today. We don't well enough una. People won't give una a good life. Una say that person ain't be the bad person. So that is why we say, it no go easy for una in that country again. But I don't tell us say they no fit defeat anything. Now then they Delta State they slaughter people. They don't go Borno, they don't go Castina. Where they now they there again? Delta then they Igbo land, they no go Nema. Then they everywhere. So all of una go wait for the thing when they come next. If una continue to they shout this APC and PDP, the only thing when go make una in fact find how to move this man out of where he sit down. That one love.